Hello, my name is Brian Benton, and in this video we will take a look at configuring an installation of an Autodesk product. I will be using AutoCAD 2014 as an example, but most Autodesk products will look very similar to this. The number and types of items being installed will vary from product to product, but the process will essentially be the same. Click on the Install button, agree to the End User License Agreement, and click Next. Configure your license type and your product information, and then click Next. And then we come to our Select and Configure screen. Now, since I'm installing AutoCAD 2014, there are really only two options, AutoCAD itself and Autodesk Recap. Next, we need to select and configure the Autodesk products that we're going to install. All selection and configuration will be done on this one screen. So if you want to install AutoCAD, make sure the checkbox has been checked. If it's unchecked, it won't install. It has to be checked in order to install it. Then to configure it, all you have to do is click on the down arrow here. From here, you will have access to all of your configuration options for that specific product or item. So here we can choose from a typical or custom installation. The custom installation allows you to pick and choose different subcomponents, unselect them with a red X on it so that they won't be installed. A green checkbox means they will. If you want to restore everything back to the way it comes out of the box, just click Restore Defaults. Scroll down to find out if there are any service packs available, and in this case there are. You can choose to include them in the install, you can download them now, and then you can browse to wherever they are located. So review your list of products to be installed and do any configurations required. The last thing I would like to discuss is the installation path. The default installation path, as you can see, is listed down here on the bottom. By default, it is at c:/programfiles/autodesk/. This location is a root directory for all of the Autodesk products being installed, and each product will create its own subdirectory within that folder. Now you can change where that root folder is by clicking on the Browse button and browsing to whichever folder you want it to go to. Once it's there, click OK, or click Cancel to just return back. When installing a suite, it is not possible to customize the folders for individual products. You can only customize the root location for those products. And now that the configuration is complete, we're ready to start installing our Autodesk products by clicking on the Install button. The installer will begin installing each of the products that were selected and configured. When the installation is complete, you will be presented with a completion screen where you will be alerted with any messages to any issues that might have occurred during the installation process.